Show you this video on how to make a meeting. Go to Google Calendar. This is what it should look like roughly for you. You can see my calendars here. The calendar that you're going to make your meetings on is this one right here that says Marine Research 2022-23. For you, it will not appear on my calendars. It will actually appear in other calendars, like I have all these other ones down here, because you don't own that calendar. So let's go into it real quick. You can see my seniors have all day meetings set up. That's because I currently have them in class. You will not be setting up all day meetings. Instead, you will click on the actual day or time. Mondays and Wednesdays are our meeting days now during the read. You're going to click your last name, put in meeting, and the default is for 15 minutes. You need it to be for 10. So the first meeting of each day will be 9 to 9:10. The one thing I want to draw your attention to is the calendar down here. So for some reason, my default is Mast Oceanography. Your default will be your personal calendar. So you want to change it to the calendar that's Marine Research 2022-23. Don't change the color of the meeting. You can also add guests. If you email Ms. Godkin, you'll also want to add me, so that will also appear on our calendar, so we know that we're going to be meeting with you that time. You don't need to put location. We will usually be meeting in 315. Click save. It'll ask you if you want to send invitations. You can click yes, and now the meeting appears here. The way you can tell if you have it on the right calendar is switch on and off the Marine Research calendar. If it disappears and reappears, that means you set it up correctly. If it doesn't, when you click the Marine Research calendar, that means that you have it on your personal calendar and nobody can see that meeting exists. Please don't delete anybody else's meeting but your own. Don't move anybody's meeting. Don't do any of that. We'll have some issues. If you can't attend a meeting, you can delete it. You can also just drag a meeting over to a different day or time. Please don't resend everything. Let me know if you have any questions.